Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to use the application of Clapper. We will go to Clapper app as you see and we click. Here in this page, in the first you will find here videos. You can interact with them, you can click here on like, you can comment on videos. You can also click here on the sign of gifts to send gifts like this. It is like TikTok. You will click here on this sign if you want to create your own videos or to do live or radio. For example, you will go here to video. You can click here to upload from your gallery if you want. And when you will choose any video, you will upload it here like this, or you can click here instant to start your video. Then here in this page, in this page we will go to the sign of profile here. If you want to go to your profile, here if you want to edit your profile, we click in this sign of edit. Then you will go to the sign if you want to change your profile photo. Here you can go to your name if you want to change it. Here username, you can copy your link of your account. Here basic info, you can add it like city, your birthday, gender, you can change it. Here you can add your bio or your bio. Then you can add here social links. You can add new link here as you see, like YouTube, Facebook or anything. You can also delete these links here. For example, if you added already Twitter, here you can click in this sign to delete this link. Also here, if you want to go to this sign here to manage your account, you can go to manage account in this sign. Here you can add your phone number, you can change your email, you can add shipping address, you can control your account. If you want to avoid the sensitive content, you can turn off this. You can click here not view. Also here you can sync direct messages in this sign of start syncing. Here in this page you can delete your inside you can delete your account. In this window you can go to privacy and safety. Here you can go to direct messages if you want to receive direct messages from everyone or friends or no one. Also here you can choose to receive pictures and videos or voice from no one or everyone or anything you want. Here if you want to show following and followers list. Here also if you want to turn off level or show level, or if you want to turn on it. Here blocked list, if you blocked someone and you want to find it here in this page, you will find it in this list. Also here comment management, you can comment your you can manage your comments. Here also you can turn off or turn on filters, comments filters. Here we go to push notifications. You can control your notifications or manage it here in this page. Then you will go to clear if you want here to clear cache. Also you will go to this sign of logout if you want to log out on the application of Clapper. So here you can go also to this sign of messages if you want to see your messages. Here there is all messages in this page. Here you can find also private messages or group messages. Here you can create your group, your own group. You can add photo, name, description if you want to make it free or paid like this. Here you can click on create. Also you can go to notifications or activities. You can find here all activities. You can choose any activity you want to find it in this page. So here you can go to this sign of search. If you want to discover videos or content creators here in this list, you can discover anyone or any content you want here in this page. So I think that's it. Here also if you want to save videos from your gallery, you can click or tap a lot here in this video and you can click on save video in this sign. You can also here click not interest or hide this creator or report this video if you want. So that's all. That's how to use the application of Clapper. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.